Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. Now in today's video we're going to look at the basic whiteboarding feature that is built into the TouchIT Rapide. Now sometimes we just want to have access to a whiteboard. Maybe it's to explain a spelling to a student, maybe it's to do a quick brainstorming session to a colleague. So we've built into the home screen access to our whiteboard, and it's really quick and easy. Now it's not designed to have lots of bells and whistles and loads of gadgets and all of that. It's designed to be simple, straightforward whiteboarding with virtually no learning curve. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so to access my basic whiteboard, I'm going to turn on my TouchIT LED. The home screen appears, and directly from the home screen I've got a button here that says whiteboard. If I click my whiteboard, I'm straight in to my whiteboarding session. Very simple layout. I have a basic toolbar down the bottom of the screen, and the rest is nice open canvas that I can make use of for my annotations and whiteboarding. It's as simple as taking a pen, and I can then annotate on the screen. As you can see, I'm very much the computer generation, as my handwriting is awful. Now the whiteboarding tool enables us to bring in images that we can annotate over. So let's have a look at how we do that. I'm going to click on the image button. I'm just going to navigate to my pictures folder, and I'm going to choose my TouchIT Rapide. My TouchIT Rapide is now loaded. It's a little bit large, so I'm just going to use multi-touch to bring that into position, and I'm going to click OK. That's now pegged onto the canvas, and I'm able to use my annotation tools. So I can come in, I can take my pen here, and I can circle here, and I can put front input. Okay, so it's very easy, as you've seen, to import an image and annotate over it. I have some different pen styles, as you may have noticed. I've got some different shapes as well. So if I wanted to have some arrows, and I could put an arrow here into my whiteboard tool, and maybe another arrow here to the Chrome browser. So I'm just using the very basic tools to annotate over my image that I've brought in. Really simple. If I wanted to add some text to the canvas, I can do that as well. So I can then move my text around. If I tap on my text tool, my keyboard appears, and I can put this is text. And I can change whether it's bold or whether it's italic. And when I'm good to go, I can just swipe up here, just get rid of my keyboard, and you can see that it's already entered onto the canvas. So just another tap there, it goes away. Click on the button, it's then glued in place. How very easy is this? So there's virtually no learning curve whatsoever with the basic whiteboarding tool. So I do have some options, like the ability to change the brush colour. I can change the background colour as well if I so wish, and they're just accessible again from this really basic, really simple toolbar at the bottom of the whiteboard app. Now, one of the really cool features about our basic whiteboarding tool is the ability to send the information that I've recorded and I've made on the whiteboard itself out to a device via a QR code. So I could send it to my cell phone, I could send it to an iPad. Very simple. All I've got to do is hit the QR button, the QR code will generate, and once that's generated, I then simply point my camera at that QR code, click on the link, and my annotations here will appear on my device. Okay, so what I'm going to do now with my iPad is I'm just going to scan this QR code and see what happens. So I'm going to point my camera, I'm then going to tap on my link, and there you can see that my annotations have been sent to my iPad. How cool is that? And finally, we're able to create multiple pages in the whiteboarding app simply by clicking on the arrows here. So I'm now going to move on to page 2. I can then take my pen, and this is page. And if I want to then move back to my first page, you can see that everything is saved. Once I come to the end of my session, everything that I've done, I can save either to the Android itself, or I can save to a USB memory stick. So I hope you've liked this video, and if you have, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.